Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook fried shrimp sushi in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, the No Bubbles Lost event collaborations event with the diver, and then in here you can cook two special food like this, two special recipe. One of them you can cook this fried shrimp sushi. And to cook this recipe, first you need to buy this recipe in the exchange store like this, and then next just buy it. It costs 10 diving valve. So make sure you have enough diving valve. And if you don't know how to get the diving valve, you can just check the tutorial in my Heartopia playlist. And then after that, just buy it and then learn the recipe. And then after that, just go back to your house and then go to your stove and then just choose the recipe. The recipe will be added to your stove like this. And then in here you need paddy and then cooking oil, oriental shrimp, and common prawn. So make sure you complete all the ingredients. And after all the ingredients are complete, just simply tap start cooking. And okay, just like that, you will successfully making this fried shrimp sushi. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.